The question is, how do I export out LinkedIn member information to a CSV file? I'm going to show you what you can do in this YouTube video. By the way, it all starts right here, just so you know. You can export out your LinkedIn connections. You can't export out any other data from LinkedIn at all. And when you do export out your list of LinkedIn connections, it's not going to include phone numbers and it's not going to include email addresses. But let me show you where you get this data. Go to me, go to Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, go to, I believe it's Data Privacy, and get a copy of your data. Right there it is. So click that. And it brings up this download function. Now you can download everything, and it is pretty much everything. It's not 100%. I wish it was, but it isn't. Or you can skip that and go straight to directly to just connections. And then you can request an archive. When you do that, request is pending. I got to wait about 10 minutes. I'll get an email from LinkedIn when that's available. And once it's available, I'll show you what it looks like. Now, this is interesting. I haven't gotten the email yet. I waited. It's 12:09 now. I think I've been waiting close to 10 minutes. I didn't get the email, but I decided to come back into settings. And from settings, look here, all I did was go to me, go to settings and privacy, and then I clicked on data privacy, and I clicked on get a copy, and it's ready. It's ready for me to download. So I'm going to download this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It wants me to put it somewhere, so I'm going to give it a date. It's a CSV file. I'm going to put it in my downloads folder. Oh, it's a zip file. I'm going to use zip. And so it's downloaded, and I'll show you what it looks like in my computer. It's in my downloads. There it is, right there, LinkedIn extract zip file. So I'm going to double click on that. It opens another folder. Actually, this opens the file up. And it's a CSV file. It's about 2 megabytes in size. Now let me go, I'm going to open that in Google Docs. And it's really easy to open it in Google Docs. I just go over here to Google Docs. I'll go to my temp folder. Under temp, here it is. I'm going to say new, file upload. Go get that file from downloads. There it is there. It's going to convert it to a Google Sheet. And there it is right there. It's called Connections. I'm going to double click on it. I exported out the connections only. It came out as a connections.csv file, and I've imported that into Google Sheets. I've already froze the top 4 rows so you can see the headers, which represent the data you get. First name, last name, LinkedIn profile URL, email address, company position, and the date you connected. That's all you get. And the only email addresses you get are from those LinkedIn members who opted in. They had to choose to do this. They opted in to have their email address exported out. I don't know why they do that. Maybe they have a reason. I'm not sure. The data that you get when you export out your connections is all of your LinkedIn connections. You don't get the ability to choose which of those connections you want to export or not. You dump it all out in the big CSV file, and then you get to play with it here. And you can sort it however you want. You can drill into it based on the data that you have the ability to drill into, and use it as you see fit. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator dude. I hope this is helpful for you.